my first annual shoe battle. So now in front of me you can see I have Nike Cop Drop right here. Released last year. Pretty decent shoes, man. I actually love this colorway. You know, icy bottoms and everything like that. Looks pretty cool, man. Then I got the Kobe Bryants right here with the gold laces. You know, I switched the laces out. It's not dead stock anymore. You know, I don't keep shoes like that. I just wear them. So Kobe Bryant, you already know what this is. If you have a pair, this is called the Black History Month Kobe. Wow, one of the lightest shoes I've ever worn. Look at that. So nice. I like that gold laces that comes with it. See, so now we're gonna see. So it's up to you guys what you think, which one is better on foot. So I'm wearing each pair right now also. So here it is. Alright. So alright, let me do that again. So what do you guys think? Some long socks. There we go. I really like this Kobe on feet, man. Damn, I've been wearing this like it's an everyday shoe, so look at that. But this Cop Drop, I'm gonna tell you right now, is the business. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So you guys let me know, man. Shoe battle. This is my first shoe battle, so hit me up, leave a comment, do whatever you have to do. You know, I'll make sure I hit you guys back up. I'll probably be doing some more of these if I get a chance. I have a lot of them, so holla.